This year, Christmas is going to be different in Orlando because Klass, Dan Jr., and Master Brain is going to be in the house.
Yes, mercredi 25 décembre à The Palace.
6449 Raleigh Street, Orlando, Florida, 32835. Admission $30 and VIP $60.
Klass, Dan Jr. and Master Brain. Music by The Fresh, hosted by DJ Darlin.
So be sure to dress to impress.
Pour info et réservation 321 424 2830 407 487 0650 407 427 91 11. Faites ça, supporté par Tombo Konpa Shorty Bombaga, Quality Production, Interstate Auto Center, Junior Rigolo Pilon Kezier.
Let's party, let's celebrate, let's end the year right with Klass, Dan Jr., and Master Brain, who's going to be in Orlando for the very first time for a wonderful Christmas night, a night full of light.
Yes, a night full of light.